I'm back here again today with Timmy, and I'm excited to show you an unboxing from Chanel. So I don't know if you guys can guess what this might be, but I'm sure from the size of it, it's definitely not a bag. It's actually a jewelry piece. So let's unbox. So I'm going to remove this little camellia flower. Leave it right here for Timmy. Timmy, are you excited? And here we go. So it comes in a white box. This is actually my first Chanel jewelry piece. So I'm unfamiliar with the packaging, but there's no logo or anything on it. It's just a white box with black lining. It looks like it's made out of leather. So let's see. Ah, here it is this way. Ta-da! Timmy, what do you think? Do you like it? Isn't it pretty? So let me put it on. Let me take my other ring off so I can show you just on its own. I got it so that I could fit it either on my index finger or my middle finger. So this is a close-up of what it looks like. This is called the Coco Crush ring. And I actually did some research on this before I started filming, but apparently this was debuted back in 2015. I'm sure you guys are familiar with of their costume jewelry, but this is actually part of their fine jewelry line that was launched in 2015. And I actually never really, took interest in Chanel jewelry, but my friend showed this ring to me maybe a couple months ago, and then it kept popping up in my head, and then I went into the store yesterday to see it in person, and I really liked it, so I kind of just went for it. But if you get a close look of it, you can see that it has that quilted pattern that is a popular motif of Chanel, of their classic bags, and it's etched into the 18 karat gold. And then the cool thing is the edges are rounded like so. I don't know if you can catch it, but it's actually very comfortable when you put it on because the edges are rounded and there's no sharp edges. And this is actually the mini size, but it actually has a thicker band as well. But I think for my hand, the thicker one didn't look right for some reason. Although on certain models, it does look really nice. So I got the one in 18 karat yellow gold, but they also come in white gold and I believe beige gold, which is a little bit lighter than like rose gold. That one was pretty too, and it would look nice stacked. So I got this ring so I can stack it or just wear it with my other rings. So this is another ring that I have, and I can either wear it like side by side like this, or I think even stacking it doesn't look too weird. So it looks like that if you stack it. So I thought that's kind of pretty as well. Or I mean, honestly, just on its own, it looks really nice too. So they do come with diamonds as well, but I just, went for the really simple look. So I think over time this will scratch, but maybe with the quilting, it might be less noticeable versus like if it's like a smooth band. But otherwise, I can follow up in another video on the wear and tear of it, but I think I'm gonna wear it like as a daily piece. So let me know in the comment section below if you want to see a video on my ring collection. But otherwise, tell me what you think of this ring. I know there's not many videos, at least from what I searched, reviews on this ring, so tell me what you guys think. Bye.